Hey guys, today I just wanted to make a quick video on something rather funny, and it is how to Photoshop one person's face onto another person's face. Now this is really simple and really funny. This is on CS6. Don't ask me how I got it. So yeah, let's do this. So we have Kim Jong-un, and we have Miley Cyrus. I'm gonna put Miley Cyrus's face on Kim Jong-un. So what we're first gonna do is we're gonna select the background and then hit Control J, and this is just gonna add a copy of the layer so we don't screw up anything on the background. Then we're just gonna go back to Miley Cyrus, hit the lasso tool, and get just her eyebrows, eyes, nose, and mouth. What we're gonna do now is just hit Control C to copy it, and now you're just gonna paste it. And now you're thinking, how am I going to put this face onto his face? Now what you're going to first do is you're just going to zoom in. I know it's a face full of Miley. I'm sorry, that was a bad joke. So now you're just going to hit Control T, and you're just going to try and shape it. And then you're going to turn down the opacity so you can sort of match their faces. Now this is going to be sort of difficult since, I don't know, it's just going to be difficult, so. So you just want to keep on shaping it. This one's really weird for some reason. It doesn't need to be perfect, but I'm sort of a perfectionist, so. This may be taking a little time, but it's going to be worth it in the end. So that looks fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit OK, or Enter, and you're just going to turn it back up. And right now we have this. I don't think you want to be showing this to anyone because they won't believe that it's real. So what you're going to do is you are going to select the pixels of Miley, and then hit Select, and then Inverse. Then you're just going to hit Modify from Select, and then Expand, and then hit 6 pixels, and then hit OK. This is going to shrink sort of the selected, so we can, I don't even know, it's just, I know what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to delete both eyes, like from the thingy, and then hit layer 1, and I'm just going to hit the delete key. Whoops, I forgot. Remember, hit inverse again once you expand it. Then you delete his face. Then you get Miley's face in there. You don't need the background anymore, but you can keep it there just in case you need to do some erasing to get Kim Jong-un's facial characteristics in there also. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to hit Select Pixels. Now this is just going to select them all instead of expanding it again. And then we're just going to Control-click Layer 1, and then we're going to hit Edit, and then Audible and Layers. And this is the moment of truth. You're going to hit Panorama and Seamless Tones and Colors. You're going to hit that, and okay. Yeah, as you can see, we got a pretty nice result. It looks a little fake, but you can always do some more blending and stuff like that. As you can see, like there's some cracks right there, but it's fine. Okay, well, I think we should finish this video here. I hope you guys laughed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys can make Miley Cyrus better. I don't know what to say, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you guys later. And I don't know what's up with this side. Let's see real quick if I can do something about it. Oh, okay, this is even more weird. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. Bye.